Hello guys, good morning. Mayroon akong kasi di ba nasira ang aking tripod. Mayroon akong, wait lang, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito guys, ito yung cellphone holder doon sa tripod ko. Nahulog guys, so daw na bali. Kaya wala na akong tripod. Ngayon, kaya nahirapan ako mag-live dahil ang nakalagay lang sa cellphone holder natin. Ito ang sandali. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Ito, ang hirap kaya pag naglagay ng cellphone. Kasi pag nalubat, di mo malagyan ng charger dahil papatong dyan, pagkapatong dyan, mapababali ang wire. Kaya, ngayon guys, solve na aking problem. Mayroong, tada! Ito guys, oh. New tripod. Buksan natin guys kasi para kita technique. Kasi hindi ko makita. Ito, bubuksan na natin. Saan ba yung plastic? Yan. Ay, di man kailangan taga gugunting. Ay, professional tripod. Wow, professional na pala ako. Sana may professional tripod. Okay, bayo. Ayan. Ayan, professional tripod. Saan ang open dito? Dito ang open pala dito. Bakit mayroong eyes? Mata ito, mata. Ay, remote. Ito, it's a remote. It's a remote. Okay, it's a remote. Remote. Oh my God. Dikit na dikit ang remote. Oh, yes. Camera. Ay, meron ako nito. Ayan, oh. Yan, dalawa na ang aking remote. Remote for camera. Dalawa na. Okay. Mag-iipon tayong ganun. Okay, open na tayo. Mayroon pa. Uy, ito yung lalagyan ng yung pag nag-vlog natin. Isa-isahin. Okay. Ito, alisin na muna kasi ito. Ito. Guys. Okay. Okay guys, ito ang bubuksan na natin ang ating tripod. Professional tripod as in I feel like I'm a professional really. Wow! This is better than the first one. My first one is not really good. So maybe this is expensive because it's very bayan, matigas talaga siya, manon, bayan, baka bere-bere na lang tayo dito. Okay, ayan, wow, paano na ito, ay, ganyan lang, very good, amazing guys, this is it, Oh, wow! I feel like I am really a professional. Okay, guys, this is this is it. Wow, what is this? How to put okay. This is the The one that I put for my cellphone. Okay. Like that. Wow, like that. Okay, let's pick it up. Bakit ganyan? Mayroon pa dito. Wala, ganyan lang. Ayan. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Wow. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, so this is it. This is it, guys. Then, how to... Oh, What is this? Ah, if you want like that. Okay, oh, wow, okay. Looks good. Wow, guys. Beautiful. It's really beautiful. I got one. Wow, thank you, guys. Wish you watch my vlog. Maybe I can do better my life because I have now new tripod. Wow. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you. Please watch my vlog. Please support my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Shout out to Mom's Journey to a Helpful Life. Thank you. Thank you. God bless. Bye guys. Bye.